students, we were studying about LU decomposition method to solve the system of linear equations. In other words, it is also called as LU factorization method, otherwise Kraut's triangularization method. The steps which we have to follow, the first step according to the 3 cross 3 example, if I consider, that is 3 rows and 3 columns. L is unit lower triangular matrix. This is the diagonal line which contains all the 3 elements A11 equal to A22 is equal to, that is A33, that is equal to 111, and here diagonal elements, they are not unity, but here they are unity. This is called lower triangular matrix and this is called upper triangular matrix. Okay. So, from this lower triangular and upper triangular the product, what we expect here, the product as L into U is equal to A, and as a result, after multiplying by transferring rows into columns, we are able to get these values. That is, first value, that is 1 into U11 plus these two are 0, plus 1 into U12, that is plus these two are 0, and U13 similarly. So, this becomes U11 only, this is, and U12 only, and U13 only. That means you can consider the complete multiplication after doing that, U11, U12 and U13. Then second row, L21 with U11, this you can ignore, that is 0 0 you can ignore, and with the second row, that is L21 U12 plus of this you can ignore, and with the third row, that is L21 with U13, this is the element, and 1 into U23. So, therefore, this 0 you can discard, right, U23. Then the next situation is third row with the first column, L31 U11, L31 U11, this is the product, and L32 0 and 1 into 0, this much is 0. Then L31 U12 and L32 U22, this 0 you can discard, and L31, that is U13 plus of L32 and U23 and plus of U33. So, this is the third element. Okay. After doing this, you have to compare with A11 here, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22 and A23 and A31, A32, A33. When you equate, this one is A11, this one is A22 and A12 and A13, and this one is A21, this one is A22, this is A23. These are the values, and L31 into U11 is equal to A31, and this A32 is equal to middle term, this is the value, and A33 is nothing but this is the value. Now, what we did is the product of lower triangular and upper triangular matrices we have considered, and we have equated to this matrix. The next step, according to the steps, working steps I had given, the next step is to consider, that is, after calculating these values, the next step is L into V is equal to B, that is, L means unit lower triangular, that is 1 0 0 and L21 and 1 0, L31 L32 and this is 1, this is unit lower triangular matrix, and this is multiplied by V1, V2 and V3. This is the column vector where these V1, V2, V3 are multiplied with the matrix of lower triangular with unit lower triangular after calculating L21, L31 and L32, right. So, this is to be equated for the given B1, that is B1, B2, B3 from the equations, that means system of linear equations B1, B2, B3. So, after doing this you are getting the values of V1, V2, V3, and the last step that you are going to work out, that is Ux is equal to V. Next Ux is equal to V after calculating V1, V2, V3 from this, and you are going to collect the values of U1, U11 in this place, and with x as unknown numbers. Unknown numbers means x, y, z, that is U, unit lower triangular matrix. U means that is the symbol already we have written. Then you will be getting, sorry, U is the upper triangular, then U11, U12 and U13, okay. Then 0, U22 and U23, 0, 0, U33, right. So, this should be taken for column matrix unknowns. This is equated to what are the values? V1, V2 and V3. So, this will give us the final values of the unknowns, that is nothing but x multiplying this column wise, row and column, you will get one equation. This is just like after applying the row operations, finally we are left with last equation with one number, second equation with two numbers and first equation with the three numbers. So, therefore, we can equate V1, V2, V3 as separated values. So, this will give us the values of the unknowns. The last conclusion is, after calculating those values, whether these values are correct or not, that you have to verify, that you have to check. Those values to be checked in the case of given equations. So, whatever the values of B1, B2, B3 with the calculated values of x, y, z, you have to substitute back and then verify. So, left side value should be equated to right side corresponding number. So, this is called LU decomposition method. Now, based on this, I will write 2 or 3 problems so that you can understand all these theoretical concept. The basic meaning of this LU decomposition method should be understood by writing what is L and what is U and how this is to be taken as a product, and the comparison after taking the product on both sides, how this is to be worked out by calculating the values of the unknowns in terms of U, in terms of L and in terms of x, y, z. So, all these are unknowns. So, all these are unknowns from the given coefficient matrix you have to work out. Okay. So, exactly according to that, the first problem I am going to select. Apply LU decomposition method to solve the system of linear equations the system of linear equations 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 9. Second equation, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6, 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 8. Exactly whatever the steps I had given, according to those steps I will write the calculation of the unknowns in terms of L, unknowns in terms of U, unknowns in terms of x, y, z. Okay. So, first of all, two compulsory steps I will write. One is let Ax equal to B be the matrix equation. Ax equal to B be the matrix equation. Okay. So, what is that matrix equation? From the given equations, coefficients are to be written. That is, first equation is 2, x coefficient 1 and 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2 and 1, second column, and third column 3, 2, 1, and third column 1, 3, 2 multiplied by unknowns x, y and z. This is to be taken as 9, 6 and then 8. This is your matrix form of the equation. Now, what are the LU decomposition steps? So, you can follow the step number 1. Let LU is equal to A, that means coefficient matrix. So, LU is equal to A means you do not make any mistakes in writing the lower triangular matrix upper triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix by taking maximum care to any one of these two, you have to make the diagonal elements as unity. Either for L, if you write for L as diagonal numbers as unity, do not write for U. If you write for diagonal elements for U, do not write for L. This is to be remembered so perfectly. Now, according to L into U, so what I am going to write is L, that means 1, 0, 0, this is L21, this is 1, 0, L31, L32 and this is 1. Now, this should be U11, 0, 0, U12, U13 and U22 and U23, 0 and U33. This should be equated to A, these numbers, that is 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2. This you perform 100% correct. If you do any mistakes, you do not get the solution properly, because those values of unknowns which you are going to calculate will not be satisfied. Now, correct multiplication you take from this, let us verify. So, already I have written in the previous theoretical concept, but now directly I will be taking the equating values with the simplification, right. So, the first matrix 1 to be transferred to this U11, next U12, next U13. This is already done. Now, L21, that is second row into first column, L21, L21 and into U11, that is all. 1 into 0, then 0 into 0. This is with second column L21, L21 and plus of L21 plus of U22, right, L21 plus of U22, third one is 0. Next L21, U13, L21 U13 plus 1 means plus U23. This is what. Next L31 into U11 and other two are 0. Now, L31 into U12 and plus of L32 into U22. Now, the next one is that is 1 into 0. Next one is L31 into U13 plus of L32 into U23 and plus of U33 is equal to these elements 213, 321 and 132. Now what you have to do is compare this, comparing LHS to RHS and RHS, comparing LHS and RHS with the respective location of the elements. What is that first one? U11. U11 is equal to 2. U11 is equal to 2 and U12 is equal to 3. Directly you can equate, and U13 is equal to 1. This is first calculation. Now second row, with the second row, that is L21 into U11 is equal to 1, but already U11 is calculated, that is L21 is equal to 1 by 2. This is the next calculation, and similarly this one L21 and plus of U22, L21 and U22 is equal to what number? Is equal to 2, this one. Then L21 is already calculated, therefore U22 is equal to 2 minus half, that should be 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. And the next one L21 U13 plus of U23 is equal to 3. Then L21 is already calculated, that is 1 by 2, and U13 this is 1, okay, U13 that is into 1, L21 is 1 by 2, U13 is 1, and plus of U23 that is to be calculated, U23 is equal to 3. Therefore U23 is equal to 3 minus 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2. This is U23. U23 is this much and U22 is this much and L21 is this much. So this is the second set of calculation. Now third set of calculation is, you can take here itself the comparison, L31 U11 is equal to 3. So L31 is to be obtained, but U11 is already known, U11 is 2. Therefore L31 is equal to 3 by 2. This is one value, and from this L31 this is equal to what? Here itself let me take, this is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. That means L31 is what? L31, this one 3 by 2, L31 is 3 by 2, U12 that is 3, and plus of L32 still we have to work out, L32 still we have to work out, and U22 is already calculated, U22 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore L32 is equal to 1 minus 9 by 2, 1 minus 9 by 2, this is into 3 by 2. Therefore this is equal to minus 7 by 2. Minus 7 by 2 means this can be cancelled. Then L32 is equal to minus 7 by 3. This is the value of L32. And similarly, what is the next number? That is L32. That is L32 which you have to calculate as this, directly I am giving. After calculating that, L32 is equal to minus 7, and U33 is also to be calculated. So L32 is equal to minus 7 and U33 is equal to that is 18. So remaining all values are okay. Then one more value, that is 968. Okay. Then U23 is 5 by 2, this is right. Okay. U11 is 2, U12 is 3, U13 is 1, this is right. L21 is 1 by 2, L31 is 3 by 2, this is correct, and L32 is minus 7, this is correct, and U22 that is 3 by 2, that is right, and U23 is here 5 by 2, that is correct, and U33 is 18 and L32 is 7. So with this, now the next step which you have to, this is the first step after calculating L values, U values. This you can do it by comparing from LHS to RHS. Now the next important step is, that is to be taken as L into V is equal to B after calculating the values of this much. Now L into V, L into V is equal to B. I shall take this is the second step, L into V is equal to B. So what is L? Lower triangular, that means unit lower triangular 1, 0, 0, and L into V, that is V1, V2 and V3, and this is equal to B. B means 968. Now 1, 1, 0, this is 1, and L21 we have calculated here. What is L21? 1 by 2. Here you have to write. And L31 we have calculated as 3 by 2, that is also. And L32 where we have written, that is minus 7 by 3. L32 is minus 7 by, minus 7, L32, yes, that is 2 cancels here, 2 cancels, and L32 is minus 7 by 3. Okay. This has to be taken for calculation of V1, V2, V3. Then what are those V1, V2, V3 calculations? That means you have to transfer once again row into column, first row into this column and second row into this column. Therefore V1, here 1 into V1 is equal to 9, then 1 by 2 V1, 1 by 2 V1 plus V2 is equal to 6, then 3 by 2 it is V1 minus 7 by 3 it is V2 plus V3 is equal to 8. Then substitute V1 here and obtain V2. V1 is equal to 9, therefore this implies V2 is equal to 6 minus 9 by 2. 6 2s are 12, that is 3 by 2. 12 minus 9 means that is 2. Then 3 by 2 into 9 minus 7 by 3 into 3 by 2, right, 7 by 3 into 2 by 3 by 2 and plus V3, this is equal to 8. This 3 cancels and this is 9 3s are 27 by 2, 3 by 2 into V1 is 9, okay, and this is minus 7 by 2, right, plus V3 is equal to 8. This is nothing but V3 to be separated, 8 minus 27 by 2 plus 7 by 2. 2 is the LCM, 16 minus 27 plus 7 divided by 2. This is 20, 27 minus 27 plus 7 means minus 20, minus 20 means how much? this is minus 20 means minus 4 by 2. Therefore, this is equal to minus 2 V3. Then, so what are the values of V1, V2, V3? V1 is equal to 9 and V2 is equal to V2 this one, and V3 we have taken, but V2 is equal to 3 by 2. V2 is equal to 3 by 2 and V3 that is minus 2. These are the values. After finding these three values of V, then the next step in this method is Ux. Let Ux is equal to, the last step is equal to V, whatever these values you have calculated. So Ux is equal to V means U is upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix means that is U11, U12, U13, 0, 0, U22 and 0, U23 and U33 multiplied by this X means X, Y, Z unknowns. Then this must be V1, V2 and V3. Here you substitute, all the values are available. U11, what is that U11? That is 2. So you substitute 2, 0, 0. Then U12, that is 3 should be, and U22. That U22 we have calculated, U22 is equal to 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2. And U13 that is equal to 1. And U23 is 5 by 2, right, and 0, and U33 that is U33 is equal to 18, that is this much multiplied by X, Y, Z, and this should be is equal to, that is V1 9 this much, and V2 it is 3 by 2, and V3 it is minus 9. This is the final step. Now, what is Z? You have to make a back substitution. That means all the three equations you have to construct. They are just like consistency what we did in elementary row operation, same type. Now, this is row is transferred to column, 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 9. Next equation 3 by 2 y 5 by 2 z is equal to 3 by 2, and the last equation is 18z is equal to minus 2. So with this, first you calculate what is the value of z, because from the last equation it is easy to separate what is the value of z. The z value is equal to minus 2 by 18, this is equal to minus 1 by 9, 2 9s are 18, 1 by 9, okay. Therefore, z equal to minus 1 divided by 9, this is the first value. Now you take the second equation, that is 3 by 2 y plus 5 by 2 into z, that is minus 1 by 9 is equal to 3 by 2. You can separate the value of y. So 3 by 2 y is equal to 3 by 2 plus of minus becomes plus sign, it is 5 divided by 18, that is 27 plus 5, okay, 27 plus 5 and divided by that is 18 should be 32, 27 plus 5 is 32 divided by 18. Here y is equal to into 2 by 3, 2 by 3 means 2 9s are 18, correct? Then that is 32 by 27 is the value of y. Now from the first equation x value you can separate. What is the x value? Substitute both x and y, substitute y and z and you collect the value of x, that is 2 into x is equal to 9 minus y, 32 by 27, okay. 32 by 27 is the value of z, 9 minus 2x is equal to 9 minus 32y into 3, right, and z value. So, z value is this much plus minus 1 by 9 becomes plus 1 by 9 here. This should be 2x, that is 27 is the LCM, and 27 is the LCM, sorry, this 3 also you can cancel, 3 9s are, then 9 is the LCM, 9 9s are 81, and how much, 9 9s are 81, and here 9 is there, minus 32, and plus 9 means plus 1 divided by 9 is the LCM. Okay. Then 82 minus 31, that means 31 is there, minus 32 plus 1 means minus 30, and this becomes 50. So, 50 divided by 9, this is 2x, and x is equal to, that is 25 divided by 9, because by 2 you can cancel, that is x y values here for this x y z values. So, x equal to 25 by 9 and y is equal to 32 by 27 and z is equal to 1 by 9. These are the solutions, these are the values of unknowns through LU decomposition method. This is the problem number 1. Now, I shall move on to the next problem. One more problem let me solve on this LU decomposition method. Solve 3x plus 2y plus 7z is equal to 4, 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 5, 3x plus 4y plus z equal to 7 by LU decomposition method. LU decomposition method, and the same type of 4 important steps you follow, and see that what values of U, what values of L, and what values of V, and finally the values of the unknowns. How we are going to get whatever you did in the first problem, same procedure. This is also 3 cross 3, and the same method can be adopted like matrix form, equation and matrix equation. In the solution, the first compulsory step is let Ax equal to B be the matrix equation. Ax equal to B be the matrix equation. Then according to that, matrix form will be 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 and 7, 1, 1. Seven, 1, 1, 4, 5, 7. Four, 5, 7. According to LU decomposition method, steps will be like this. First is LU is equal to A. Next step is L into V is equal to B. Next step is Ux is equal to V. These 3 steps only will give you the calculation. This is a shortcut method normally we used to follow. This step gives values of L and U. This step gives what are the values of V1, V2, V3. This step gives X1, X2, X3. This step gives L values and U values. This step gives V1, V2, V3. This step gives X, Y, Z. These are the only 3 important steps that you have to follow. Okay. Now let me start with this LU decomposition method as product L into U. So directly I am going to write in the form of notations, that should be 1 0 0 and L21 L21 1 0 and L31 and L32, this is 1. Next U is nothing but U11 0 0, U12 U13, this is U23 and U22 0 U33. On the right side, that is A, that should be A. A means this is coefficient matrix, X is this much and B is this much. For B you take this, for A you take this, and for X you take this. Now A means that is 3 2 3 2 3 4 2 3 4 7 1 1. This is on comparison. So I will give the calculated values which I did already in this. You just refer the previous problem and see that those values how you can expect, like the values of L and U. So comparing LHS and RHS to obtain the values of L and U. So here I am getting U11 is equal to 3 and U12 is equal to 2 and U13 is equal to 7. You have to verify this, because I have calculated like this. If there is any change, then you can see that that will be corrected. Okay. Now next is U values, that is U22 is equal to 5 by 3 and U23 is equal to minus 11 by 3. Row will be transferred to column, first, second, third. After comparing that, as I did in the previous problem, you can now verify this. 3 3 is equal to minus 8 by 5 and L21 is equal to 2 by 3 and L31 is equal to 1 and L32 is equal to 6 by 5. After obtaining these values, this is for the first step. Now the second step, that is V1, V2, V3. What is L here? L is unit lower triangular matrix, that I will write unit lower triangular matrix 1 0 0 0 1, that is 1 L21. Okay. So L21, right, I will write the symbols L21, L31 and L32. This should be multiplied by V1, V2 and V3. This is to be equated to B. B is nothing but 4 5 7. B is nothing but 4 5 7. Here after calculating, I am getting V1 equal to 4 and V2 equal to 7 by 3 and V3 is equal to 1 by 5. So these are the values. This is for the calculation of values of V. Now I will write the last one, that is Ux equal to V. Ux equal to V means what? Upper triangular. Upper triangular means nothing but U11 0 0, U12 U13 and U22 and U23, this is 0 and U33. Okay. This is multiplied by X, Y, Z. This is equated with V1, V2 and V3. Already all the values are calculated. Here this gives X equal to minus 1 by 8 and Y is equal to 9 by 8 and Z is equal to 7 by 8. These values you have to verify. These values you have to verify because in between some details already I have written in the previous problem notation wise. you can use the same notations and then verify these values. So, the first step according to LU decomposition, you will calculate values of U and values of L. Second step gives the calculation of V1, V2, V3. Third step gives the calculation as, that is the values of unknowns. Values of unknowns means X, Y, Z. Now you can verify those values are correct or not. You substitute those values in the given set of equations, so that you must get right side first equation 4, second equation 5 and third equation 7. Then your solution is correct. There itself you can verify. You need not to wait for somebody's help that this solution, this answer is correct or not. There itself you can verify. If anything is wrong, then anything is not matching, there itself you can identify your mistakes, where which step you went wrong, that you can rectify it. So, this is all about LU decomposition method. I shall write a few examples for your practice, then I shall start the next topic as vector space and subspace and all that. Now, I shall write few examples on this LU decomposition method for your practice, and you can go through the problems, and some answers also I will give. You can check your answers. Solve the following by LU decomposition method. First problem, x plus 2y plus z equal to 4, 2x minus 3y minus z equal to minus 3, 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 3. For this answer I will give x comma y comma z are equivalent to 1, 2 minus 1. You verify this. This is the answer I am giving. If there is any change, then you can notice in that which step is wrong and what is the change in the answer. You can verify. Next problem, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1, 4x1 plus 3x2 minus x3 is equal to 6, and 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 4, and for this answer is x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 1 by 2 and x3 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This also you can check. C. One sample I will give for 4 unknowns in the same procedure. One more variable I will extend and the answer also I will give, but instead of 3 you have to make it as 4 columns and 4 rows. So, one example I will write, that is 4x plus 3y plus z minus w is equal to 14, and 2x plus 5y plus 2z plus w is equal to 17, x plus 4y plus 4z plus 6w is equal to 20, 3x plus y minus z plus 5w is equal to 12. For this answer is x equal to 2, y is equal to 2, z equal to 1 and w is equal to 1. This is the solution. All these 3 problems you can check, and also you will find good number of problems in the exercises of standard textbooks. Maybe we can go for Gravel, BS Gravel, Higher Engineering Mathematics 44th edition, H.K. Das, Jain and Angar, and next is Krasik. It is my favorite book. It is Krasik, and any textbook with matrices as the title. So with this, I'd like to stop up to here. Then I shall continue the next topic in my next discussion. Thank you.